So hi, awesome ones. Well, as most of us know, it's a very fine line between looking youthful and looking classy. And what I want to show you today are 5 outfits that help you to look youthful, and let's just call it classy, not trashy. And by the way, if you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I think down there is a button somewhere, and click on the bell for notifications, because I would love you to join us here in our awesome community, and yes, it would just be fabulous. So let's start with my first outfit, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with a basic royal blue tube dress, and then I'm going to add to it. Let's take a look. So as you can see, it's a lovely dress, and I really don't mind the slits at the sides. You could always kind of sew them up a bit if you wanted to. But now let's give this outfit a youthful upgrade. First of all, a long but simple necklace. You don't want to use your big, bold costume jewelry because that's going to age you. And if you're like me, you want to hide the tops of your arms but still stay cool. So how about wearing one of my favorite crochet cover-ups? And if you want to hide your belly a bit, you can tie it in the front. Add one simple bangle, cool aviator glasses, kitten heel strappy sandals, and you got a classy look with a youthful flair. And as always, I'll have many of the links for the fashions underneath the description and also in the comments. All right, so let's take a look at the next outfit. And for this outfit, you could probably shop your closet for most of the components. And it's a casual look, classy, and still has a casual flair. So here I have a 3-season outfit with my favoritely stretchy jeans, a white cami, and a lovely pink blazer with the sleeves rolled up. I find that pink is a youthful color, and many mature women don't wear enough of it. I rolled up my jeans and I added my Keds sneakers, and for a final touch to complete the look, I added my blue aviator glasses and my new purse with this fun design. Now, just before I get into the next outfit, and check out this lacy, it's kind of a mini and maxi skirt. Anyway, I'm gonna get to that in just a second. I love talking about fashion. I love talking about makeup and skincare. And every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm live at Amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. And again, we just kind of browse, we kind of hang out like girlfriends, and we browse fashions and all kinds of other items, and we chit chat, and it's a lot of fun. And if you miss it, the reruns are also there. There's a link for them, and I think I got about 40 of them already. So I really hope you can join me there. But let's get back to this skirt. And I'm going to show you an outfit that's all black, and I think in this case it's okay. And it's kind of got a Stevie Nicks kind of feel. Let me show you what I mean. So check out this fun way to dress up. I found this mini kind of maxi skirt in lace, and I paired it with a new V-neck top. I also put on one of my favorite stretchy belts. And if you really wanted to go for a leather and lace look, how about this faux leather moto jacket for those cooler nights? This is great for going to a classic rock and roll concert, or to a fun wine tasting, or maybe even just to go to a get-together. This is a wonderful 80s inspired outfit. Now, I know the last outfit was a little bit different, but what I want you to do is just step out of your comfort zone. I call it going from old to bold. And let's take a look at my next outfit. And for my next outfit, you know they're my favorite. I love skorts, and I'm going to be featuring a white skort, and it has the skirt look all the way around, and then it also has very lightweight kind of mesh shorts underneath. I don't know if you can see those very well, but they're little shorts underneath. So let's look at the outfit. So whether you're strolling through the city, going to a street fair, or maybe going on a daytime boat cruise, this outfit fits the bill. I love the lightweight material of the Skort and also the top. And I also love the hands-free function of this trendy waist purse. Add my Ray-Bans and a lightweight cap, and of course my Keds, and I have a great look for a fun day. And hey, let me know in the comments what your favorite youthful look was. All right, well, the next item, it involves leggings, and we all still have them in our closet, but this is particularly one where it's really a fine line between looking classy and trashy. Please, 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 please cover your butt. And also, unless you're in amazing shape, I think it's a good idea to kind of cover your tummy as well. Anyway, let's take a look. So find yourself a nice, bright, long top like this blue one, and put it over top of maybe a white cami and white leggings. You could also do it with black cami and black leggings, but roll up the sleeves a bit and button up maybe just 2 of the middle buttons. Put on your sneakers and add a straw purse, and you're dressed up for a fun weekend or a vacation day. Now, it's very, very important to me to let you know that I'm in no way saying here that I want you to have a desire to feel younger. I just want you to feel youthful in the skin that you're in. And you know what? We're all on the aging journey together, me included. And what I want you to do is I just want to enjoy yourself and maybe try something a little different, get dressed up again, also have some fun with fashion, and above all, keep it awesome.